Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry you haven't seen a video from me on this channel in a while. It's just been really crazy. I probably said this in my last video too, but I just wanted to apologize to you guys because I know that some of you guys are really looking at YouTube as kind of an escape and you get really excited for content and stuff like that, and I just haven't been able to upload as much as I would like lately. So I wanted to do a favorites video today because I was looking actually back at my old videos to see what I posted in my last favorites video, and the last favorites video I did was the end of the year, like best products of the year video, and I couldn't believe that I haven't uploaded a favorites yet this year. So I'm going to share with you guys what I've kind of been using since, well, I guess for half of the year. These are all products that I have been pretty much using daily. So I think because it's 2020 and it's just been a weird year, I have not tried a lot of new products lately. A lot of PR packages have really slowed down because of the COVID thing, and I haven't really shopped as much and been going out to the grocery stores as much. And then if I did order things online, like they took forever to get here. So I have literally just been using makeup that I've had for a long time, and so I think that's why I haven't really needed to film a favorites video, because I just haven't tried a lot of new products. But I do have some things I've absolutely been loving lately. I've been using them almost every single day since my last video, favorites video. And so I think that you guys are really gonna like these products. So I'm just gonna jump in. For some weird reason, I feel like I've shared these products with you guys, but I don't know what video it would have been in, but I feel like I've talked about them before. So I'm sorry if I have, but I don't know. So the first two products I want to talk about is skincare, and I want to get these out of the way because I sometimes don't love talking about skincare because I feel like skincare is very specific to different people, you know what I mean? Like what you like, it may not work for another person because I feel like skin is very finicky. It's just hard, it's a hard thing to recommend, and I'm one of those people that can really change my skincare all the time. Like I do not have sensitive skin and I don't break out, so trying new skincare isn't a risky thing for me. And I also feel like it's hard for me to say like this didn't break me out and this did break me out because I just don't really break out. So with these products, just take them with a grain of salt and know your skin. But I've been using the Pixi Skin Treats Retinol Jasmine Cleanser and the Retinol Jasmine Lotion, like the moisturizer. Now, the reason I was so excited when I got this package in the mail, if you guys watch my Instagram stories or whatever, it's because of two reasons. I absolutely love anything jasmine. So anything that smells like jasmine, I love because it just is such an amazing smell, especially if it smells like real true jasmine. And then I also was really excited because these are retinol products. Now if you know anything about retinol, it's great for anti-aging. And I'm 34, no actually I'm 35 now, you guys. Can you believe that? I'm 35, I just turned 35. So I was really excited about these because they do have retinol in them, and I've been using these like every single night. I love them, and they've just been really nice, and they smell really good as well. I haven't had any issues with these, and one thing that I can say is the Pixi cleansers are great. I wouldn't say they're like the most life-changing things like in the whole entire world, but they do the job. You know what I mean? Like I said, I'm not an overly picky person about skincare because I have pretty forgiving skin. But one thing I've always really loved by Pixi is their like moisturizers and their lotions. I always feel like they give me like this really bright look to my skin. Also, if you are an aging woman, then you might want to look into those. Now the next skincare product I want to talk about is actually one that is life-changing. This is one that I never would have tried, but I actually got this in a like PR bag, and so I opened it up just kind of wanting to try it out. And this is the brand Wyld. No, it's Wyld. It would be Wyld. And this is Active Botanical Cleanse for all skin types. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's just like a luxury size sample, but I am absolutely amazed by this product. I actually am using this extremely slow, and I'm being really like, I'm like trying to get as much out of this product as I can because it's a really great product. Now, I don't know how much this costs. Maybe I'll look for it online and I'll put it right here so you guys can like know the price of it. I haven't really done too much research on it, to be honest with you guys. But the thing I absolutely adore about this cleanser is it gets every single piece of makeup off your face. Except for like your mascara and like eyeliner and stuff, you kind of have to go in with like a coconut oil or like an eye makeup remover or something like that. But as far as like face makeup goes, this gets every single bit off your face just by cleansing alone. The only place that I ever have like remaining makeup is like around the hairline, and I'll have to take like a cleansing water or a toner and I can kind of get around my hairline. But when I use this, there is absolutely no makeup on my toner pad that I use or my cleansing water pad. Like the makeup is gone. And I have tried a lot of cleansers out there, and this is the only one that I can say blew my mind with how amazing it gets your skin or your makeup off. So if you're one of those people that is very low maintenance and you don't want to do like a toner and a cleansing water and this, this is it, because this will get everything off of your skin. So next I'm going to talk about palettes. There's two palettes that I've been using almost daily, and these are just fantastic palettes. Both of them are very wearable, they're really good for every day, and they're just palettes that I've been grabbing for almost consistently since I've gotten them. And the first one is the Disney Designer Collection by ColourPop. So I got this because A, I love Disney, and B, I love the colors in it. I thought it looked really pretty, and I ended up buying it, and I have worn it so much. I'm actually wearing it on my eyes today, and these are the colors on the inside. So you have pinks, and you have a really nice purple color, which I really like. Not a lot of neutral palettes have like purples in it, and this purple right here, the reason I love it so much is it reminds me of Shale by MAC. That used to be one of my all-time favorite eyeshadow ever. Like back when I first started YouTube, like I used Shale almost every single day when I would do my makeup, and this color right here reminds me of Shale, and I don't use MAC anymore, it's not cruelty free, so I love this color. And I'm actually wearing it on my lid today. And it has these really good blender colors. We've got a nice dark one, we've got black, you guys know how I feel about black. But we also have like some really nice pinks that are kind of a fun change. We got gold. I don't know. So many great colors. I don't know why when I talk about palettes I have to like name every single color, but I don't know. I just feel like this is a very, very good neutral palette that's a little bit different than your other neutral palettes. Like it has some unique qualities to it while still being extremely wearable, which is what I really like about it, because I could buy like 100 neutral palettes that look exactly the same this day and age. Like they all kind of have the same feel to them. This one's neutral, but it's uniquely neutral. So that's why I really like this palette, and I've been wearing it, like I said, nonstop. So the next palette is actually what I was just describing, one of your basic neutral palettes that isn't necessarily unique, but extremely useful and wearable. So this is definitely the one that I feel like I've been wearing the most because it is the best one for every single day, and this is definitely one that you can like travel with, just throw it in your makeup bag. It's just like an all-around really, really good palette. So this is the Kokie Artist palette in Goddess. I got this at Rite Aid, and you guys know I've always really liked Kokie makeup. I think it's a great brand for a low price, and this is the Artist palette. I think they have like 3 or 4 in the Artist palette line, but this is the Goddess one. So this is what the palette looks like right here. So as you can tell, it's extremely warm, but it's also just extremely wearable in general. The only thing I wish this had was maybe a little bit darker of a shade. This is pretty dark, but I wish maybe there was one more like really dark, maybe almost black, or maybe like a grayish brown or something like that. But this palette is amazing. I've been wearing it super frequently. It's the one I pull for if I want a light makeup look or a dark makeup look. You can pull it for any look, and it's going to give you kind of what you're looking for. You have some really good like inner corner highlights. And the thing I love about this too is it's extremely pigmented, and it's just been one that I've been pulling for a lot. So the next 2 products are from a line that I got recently from IT Cosmetics. I think I did a whole video on these lipsticks. I think I swatched them and everything, and I love these lipstick colors so much. I wear them almost every single day. I'm actually wearing one of them today. I'm not sure which one it is, to be honest. I think it's Humble, but these are the best lip colors ever. I love them so much. So these are the IT Cosmetics Pillow Talk, but this is the color Humble, and I believe this is what I'm wearing on my lips today. But this is like a really dark mauve-y color. You guys know I really, really love these mauve colors. They're amazing. Sorry, I just flipped you off. And then this one is Serene, and this one is a little bit more of a, it's kind of the same color, but it has more of a brick red kind of terracotta. So they're kind of the same, but this one's just more of a terracotta, which I prefer a little more warmth in my lipsticks now, but both of them are gorgeous. I wear them almost every single day. They're like my signature color, kind of like that dark mauve terracotta. It's what I always wear, and these are definitely must-haves if you like these colors as well and you don't like liquid lipsticks, because I feel like these colors are really popular in liquid lipsticks, but it's hard to find these colors in regular lipstick, and I've been kind of turning to regular lipstick lately more than liquid lipsticks. Like I went through a whole liquid lipstick phase, and I still like them and I still wear them, but I've been turning to lipsticks so much more now, and these are definitely my favorite colors. So another color I've been really into lately, and I wasn't going to share this, but I just decided that I'm going to share it because I just really like it. I don't know if this is still for sale. I didn't look because I just decided to share it right now, so I'm sorry if this is discontinued. I haven't actually looked online. I just want to share it because I like it. So this is the Urban Decay lipstick in 1993, and that is the best way to describe this lipstick. Literally 1993. This is like a brown, like a dark brown, like something like Jennifer Lopez would have worn in like the 90s or something. So it is this color. So as you can see, it's definitely more of a brown. It's more of like a nude color, but like a really, really dark nude. This is exactly what you would wear in the 90s when you were looking for a dark brown lipstick. And it is in the color 1993, and I love this shade. It is so pretty, and I feel like it's so hard to find a shade just like this, and I've been wearing it so much because it's such a cool like brown color. And I've been kind of into the browns. Like, you guys know that. I've talked about that lately. So those are like my 3 favorite lipsticks at the moment. Hopefully that 1993 shade is still being sold. I actually had it stored in this cabinet forever, and I was looking for like a new color to wear that I hadn't worn in a while, and I came across that shade and I'm like, how has this been hidden from me this whole time? So I started using it, but I don't even know how old that thing is, so I don't know. So the next thing is this lip gloss by Milani. So Milani is one of my favorite brands, but the thing is I'm not sure, there was a couple brands recently that just recently became non-cruelty free. Like, they were cruelty free and now they're not cruelty free, and I don't know if Milani is one of them. I know Physicians Formula is, I think, which makes me so freaking sad because you guys know I'm obsessed with their liquid eyeliner and their bronze booster. Those 2 products are like a holy grail for me. It's the bronze booster and the like eyeliner, and even though it's not cruelty free anymore, I'm still gonna buy their eyeliner. Like, it's the one product that I'm going to buy regardless of whether the brand is cruelty free. I know, I'm sorry, but I have to. But anyways, this is the color Whatever, and it's a gloss. Now this has some glitter in it, like some sparkle in it, which normally I don't like sparkle in my lip gloss, but this is so pretty. And it's so smooth. This is not one of those really thick lip glosses that feel like really sticky and thick. This has that really smooth feel, and it just feels like it sits nicely on your lips. But this is a really good color if you want a good lip gloss for a nude lip, or if you want to just add a little bit of shine to like a darker lip. This is amazing. Or if you just don't want to wear any lipstick at all and you just want to wear like a lip gloss, this is great because it's kind of a My Lips But Better. It'll give you kind of like a nice nude look, but it has a little bit of shimmer in it, so it's gonna make your lips look really, really glossy, which I like as well. So this has kind of been my go-to lip gloss for pretty much every day when I want some gloss or shine to my lips. The next product is a product by e.l.f. This is the e.l.f. Beauty Shield Antioxidant Enriched Skin Protection. This is a skin shielding primer, and it is SPF 50. So I was looking for a moisturizer with SPF in it, and I was having a really hard time finding one that was cruelty free. And so I was digging through all of my makeup over here, and I found this, and this is by e.l.f. and I was like, oh, this is perfect because it has SPF in it. The only thing about this product that I don't like is this gets clogged, like the little pump. It always gets clogged, and so I have to take like a thumbtack and like unclog it. So it's not the best like packaging for this product, but I love it because it has a really nice like silky quality to it, and I just apply it over my moisturizer and I know I'm gonna get the protection that I need, and it's really cheap. It's e.l.f. so you don't have to spend a fortune on it, but you know that you're gonna get the sun protection because it's SPF 50, which is super, super important, and it's getting hot, so we all need, well, you need to wear SPF every day. If you're smart, you'll wear SPF every day, but since it's getting hot and we're gonna be outside more, SPF 50 is a really high level of SPF, so you're gonna get tons of protection. Take it from somebody who's aging. It happens. It will happen to you. So take care of your skin while you're young, and I definitely recommend this. The last product I want to talk about is the mascara that I've been using, and it is the Covergirl Total Tease mascara, and this is in Very Black. Now, the thing I love about this mascara is it lengthens, and it also is easy to layer. So if you're somebody that layers your mascara and you like more than just like one coat, you can layer this really well without it looking spidery, which is really nice. And it doesn't shed under your eyes. Like, it doesn't, what's the word I'm looking for? Like, it doesn't crumble, you know what I mean? Like, you don't get those little black things under your eyes, which I really like. But I really love the brush, actually. So this is one of those plastic brushes. I do love the plastic brush, but one thing I like is it has a little teeny brush right at the bottom, and you can use that to get like the inner lashes. And I have really deep set eyes, so it's always really hard for me to get those inner lashes without like hitting my nose. And so this makes my life so much easier getting like those inner corner lashes without it being clumpy. Because you know how like sometimes with mascara wands, like you're trying to get those inner corner ones, but all of the mascara clumps on the very, very top of the mascara wand. And so when you get those inner corner ones, it gets all like globby. Well, this, the way it's shaped, the mascara doesn't glob onto the top of the wand. It goes onto this little brush right here. And so you're really able to get those little tiny lashes without getting like that big clump of mascara on the end. Does that make sense? And I have really deep set eyes, so this is an issue that I deal with. And so I really, really love the shape, and I love this little brush and that it doesn't get all clumpy right on the top of the brush. And it's just a good mascara. I've been really liking it. Looks good on my lashes. I'm not wearing fake lashes today. I'm just wearing this with some good like lash curling, and I really, really have been enjoying this. So that is it, you guys, for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys found some new good products. And let me know if you guys have any questions. I'm really gonna try this time to put all the products down below so you guys can find them easily if I remember, but I'm really gonna try. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if any of these products are gonna be something that you try. And I think that's it. So I'll talk to you guys in my next video, and I hope you have a good day. Bye.